Welcome. Today we're gonna see how we can convert from this to that. Okay, the first thing that you need is to go to Amazon and get a 3D printer. I got this one 2 months ago. It's a FlashForge and it has been working pretty good. So once that you do that, you're gonna have to print each part. It might take several hours to print each of them. I'll put in the description the links for the files. So the first thing that I noticed is that I have to put this the arm together for the leg of the dog, and I'm trying to figure out some of the assembling. You have to also get some of the electronics, a Raspberry Pi, the bearings, the battery, and also the servos. And I got this servo tester. This will help you to assemble electronics. And particularly this part is a PWM, and it will help us to connect all of the 12 servos for the degrees of freedom that we need for the robot. So one side is going to be the bearing and the other one is going to be the servo. So once that you assemble the arm, you'll see that you have to wiggle around both of them at the same time. Also, don't forget to thread the wire of the servos. It's very important when you are doing the robots. The wiring always is a pain because you have to move the wires around. And at least this model for this robot, it has a gap there for us to be able to thread the cables. So you're gonna have to pre-drill some holes in the plastic because if not, you're gonna crack the PLA. Even that I was trying to be very careful, this material is very, very fragile. One thing that it was important is like the printer didn't didn't print the small part for the sides to be able to hold the if maybe to use the circular one, but I used those pieces and actually it works pretty well. And that basically helped me to assemble the joint. One thing that you notice is that it already cracked. I used super glue. This super glue kind of helped me to not have to reprint the part, and actually worked very, very well. So we'll see how long it will last. But yeah, 2 parts of the legs it broke in different places. So with this super glue, I can spray it and I can accelerate the curing. So right now we have all of the legs, leg number 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So after that, I'm putting together the shoulder. Some people call it the hip. And I use the same parts of the servos. I have noticed that worked pretty well. So I'm using the M3s, screws, and I'm assembling one by one. So this will help us to put it into the chassis, into the body. So right now I'm just aligning them one by one. I'm checking if it has the good mobility. I am adding the part on the servo. Don't forget to add a screw in the center. I almost forgot to add it. And again, that's basically what it will hold the servo with the part. So, and that's what I'm doing right now there. Also, I'm checking that each of the servos and the degrees of freedom, they are in 1500, and I'm aligning vertically in some cases to the shape of the leg. This will help us later on when we're training the robot with artificial intelligence to speed up the process. So right now I'm about to finish assembling the last leg, and then we're gonna have to put together the different parts of the chassis. So I'm also testing the wrist that is also working before I'm mounting it. Then now we are using the longer parts for the servos in order to hold them for the shoulder. And I'm checking that the base, what type of screws. I figured out that maybe some screws that they have flat head, it will be better here. So in that way they're able to clear the motion of the servo. So I'm just putting them horizontally, and as you can see, only with few screws we're able to position. Now I'm preparing the legs. Placed the leg number 1 in the back, the leg number 2 on the right, and now I turn around the robot to be able to test it out and check that they are in 1500 pulses. So and that way I can just adjust it, and then adding all of the cables into the enclosure. And as well, I need to add the foot. That's a final touch to be able to walk, and voila, we have the spot micro. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Next video is gonna be on how to wire all of the electronics. Peace.